Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Well, it's Friday, and we have finished 1 week of classes online. Things will get better, guys, and I will add videos and things like that. I'm learning how to do all those things because, well, technology is not my strong point, so let's be honest. So, we have finished 1 week, guys. I'm so happy. Um, what are we going to do Fridays, guys? Friday is going to be one of our shorter classes because we're going to just do a quiz, a mini quiz that we normally do, guys, and maybe one page of our workbooks, okay? Now, the quiz. You don't have to turn in this quiz on Monday, but on Tuesday. On Tuesday, when you send your homework that was left on Monday, send the evidence of that homework and the evidence of the quiz that we're going to be doing on Friday. I don't need this on Monday, okay, guys? Remember, turn it in on Tuesday with the evidence of the homeworks, okay? Good, guys. I really hope that everyone's doing good, and I can't wait to see all of you guys. Let's begin with attendance, okay, guys? Valentina Borrego, Jared, Bruno, Fernanda Valentina, Leo, Cesar Alexis, Mikey, Joel, Suriel, Luna, Veronica, Ivana, Leslie, Matilda, Daniela. I hope that all of you are with me today, so take out your notebooks, guys. Leave one page so that you can do your cover page for May, okay, guys? Skip one, do your cover page. Next page, Friday, May 1st, okay, guys? Quiz. I'm going to dictate the 10 words, okay, guys? It's going to be a short and easy quiz. You guys are going to all do very good, I know. Number one, angle. Angle. Two, divide. Divide. Three, even number. Even number. Four, hexagon. Hexagon. Five, multiply. Multiply, number five. Six, odd numbers. Odd numbers. Seven, prime numbers. Prime numbers. Eight, sequence. Sequence. Nine, spirals. Spirals is number 9. 10, symmetry. Symmetry. Good. Those are the 10 spelling words. Now, part 2 of spelling. I need you to write 5 sentences, but here is the trick. You must use 2 words in 1 sentence. Okay, so you're going to finish or end up using the 10 words in 5 sentences. Okay, so if I use 2 words in 1 sentence, it would be something like this. If I divide a butterfly, it will have symmetry on both sides. So imagine this is my butterfly. Okay? If I divide it, is breaking it into two, right, guys? And I will have symmetry, the same on both sides. Use two words in one sentence, okay, guys? This is part of spelling. Excellent. For grammar, okay, guys? In grammar, what are you going to do in grammar? With grammar, I need you to write sentences in passive voice. Okay? Passive voice. There we go. Now, what are you going to do in passive voice? I'm going to give you one example. Okay? I'm going to write a sentence using passive voice. You are going to do 5 of these sentences. Okay, guys? The bone was being eaten. The dog was being eaten by the dog. Okay? The bone was being eaten by the dog. Passive voice. Remember, here the action is more important than the subject. I can say, the dog is eating, okay, is eating a bone. A bone is being eaten by the dog. Opposite. Remember, in a passive voice sentence, guys, the action is more important than the person that's doing this action. Good. So, we have our spelling, dictation. Okay. Part 2 of spelling is to write the 5 sentences using the 10 words. And in grammar, guys, you need to write 5 sentences using the passive voice. Okay? Remember, guys, this is going to be turned in on Tuesday. Okay, guys? Good. You guys are doing really well. So, let's continue, guys, with our next activity, okay? Okay, guys, something that I forgot actually, in our quiz, we're gonna have 3 parts, okay? Well, today we're gonna have 3 parts: spelling, grammar, and reading. We're going to work in our reading comprehension. For the reading comprehension, you're going to find the reading in your language activity book, guys, the book that we've been working on, okay? Language activity book. Okay, guys. Oh, here it is. Language activity book. This is the book we're going to be using, guys. Okay? So, for this reading or reading comprehension, we're going to do the reading on page 108. Page 108. This is also part of your quiz of Friday, okay, guys? So, page 108. The reading is titled The Game's Master, John Harden Conway. Okay, guys? You need to do the reading and also answer. I will check this as evidence on Tuesday, evidence of your quiz. Okay, guys? So, for this week's quiz, we have 3 parts: spelling, grammar, and reading. Okay, guys? Very important for us to do all those 3 activities. Okay, guys? So, Fridays is going to be the shortest class that we have, because all we're going to do is give you the quiz that you guys are going to be working on. Okay? This week, if you notice, it's very short. It's not going to take us more than 15 minutes for the class because there isn't much that we can do. But for the next class, besides this quiz, we will work on the book, okay, guys? So, for today, it's extremely short because all we did was a quiz, okay? This is not going to be the way we're going to be working all Fridays, only this Friday, because there wasn't many things that we could see. But next Friday, besides the quiz, we're also going to be giving like a grammar activity, or something else. Okay, for this week, this is all we're gonna be doing today. So on Tuesday, I will check your quiz, and I know that you will all do a great job because you guys are all very smart. Also, study your verbs, guys. Okay? So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, have a wonderful weekend, guys, and I will see you guys on Monday. Goodbye, guys. You know what, guys? I think that we can do this a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and do it. I want to give you some sentences that you maybe can use to change into passive voice. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that so that maybe you guys have like or have questions and how do I do a passive voice sentence? This is how you do it, okay, guys? So let's imagine, let's write a regular sentence. For example, my dad, oops, I don't even have capital, huh, guys? My dad, there we go. My dad cuts the grass. This is a sentence in present tense. My dad, we have the subject, the action cuts, what? The grass. Let's change this sentence into passive voice. What would go first, guys? What is the action? I know it's cut, but what is being cut? Ah, the grass is being cut by my dad. My dad cuts the grass. The grass is being cut by my dad. Do you guys see how we change a sentence into passive voice? Notice how in the beginning we have my dad. The subject is the main part. Cuts the grass. But in the passive voice, guys, look. We begin with the action. The grass is being cut by my dad. We basically reverse. Okay, what we have in the beginning, we put at the end, at the beginning. Now, let's do one, let's say in past. Okay, a sentence in past, and then change that sentence into passive voice. Okay, so let's put the baby cried last night. The baby cried last night. Now, with this, we can change it using past continuous, guys. The baby cried last night. Let's begin with the tense or when it happened. Last night. Last night what? Yes, the baby was, good guys, crying. Oops, let's separate. Let's put a space between wasn't crying and finish it with a period. The baby cried last night. Last night, the baby was crying. We're basically saying the same, but reverse. We use the last or the action at the beginning and the subject at the end. That's how normally the passive voice works, guys. Now, with this, I hope that it's a little bit more clear and you guys have no problems doing your passive voice sentences. Well, now it is the end of the class, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Mondays. Okay, guys? Goodbye.